Hi guys, uh, someone had commented on my video for this one. Hi, so I'm gonna do their comments, and their comment was replace the sun with a black hole. So I'm gonna do that. Wrong one. I don't have Solar Smash because that's only for like other stuff. I don't know if it has the sun or not. So I'll just use this. So I think I'm gonna replace it with Sagittarius A, which has 4 million in mass of the sun. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so let's make the mass 4 million. That's too much. Wait, no. Too much. There. I don't know what these rays are. I think that's what's gonna happen to all the planets, but let's go. Yeah, Neptune just got shot. How is Sun all the way over there? Sun just got shot all the way out of the Milky Way. Like what? I think the black hole shot it. Let me go back. I think Pluto's still there, right? So I guess that's what happens if you replace the sun with a black hole. What was that? Another one. That was Eris. And the supernova Arcturus for no reason. Turned into a black hole. I don't know what to do now. So this is the real Sagittarius A. Right here. And here's Andromeda, which will soon crash into the Milky Way, which will make Milkdromeda. Where's the Milky Way? I see it. Hold on, can we see Andromeda from here? Yes, we can. It's right there. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Also, make sure to comment more ideas on this video or the other video, so I can get more ideas. Goodbye.